The BenQ GP520 4K projector brings you a premium home entertaining viewing experience powered by Google TV OS, all in the name of taking your home viewing experience to the next level. And for those that value the home cinema viewing experience that a TV just doesn't bring you, then this projector is definitely one to consider. What are some of the main headlining features that make the GP520 stand out? Auto Cinema Mode, technology which delivers consistently great visuals and exceptional color performance on any wall in pretty much any ambient lighting condition. Like your typical living room lighting, from any distance through automatic adjustments using ambient light adaptation, wall color correction, distance-based adjustments, and BenQ's CinematicColour with cinematic sound technologies, all with the aim of providing accurate visuals and great built-in sound. Paired with BenQ's CinematicColour technology offering 98% coverage in a Rec. 709 color space, HDR10 Plus advanced HDR format support, HDMI 2.1 support features like auto low latency mode ALLM, USB-C power delivery with DisplayPort out, two 12-watt built-in speakers, MEMC support, which is the motion estimation, motion compensation feature, whether streaming, gaming, or even using it as an extended display for your laptop or PC. Entertainment on the GP520 is an enjoyable experience. There is so much to get into with my experience of setting my 4K TV aside and switching over to this 4K projector, but for now, let's get into the unboxing. Unboxing the BenQ GP520 is nice and straightforward and feels premium. The packaging comes with clean visuals of the projector and the general features that make it great to use, from the 4K quality, the Google TV OS, and more. The main thing you'll be presented with is the projector, and it's nicely sealed. Below are the plugs with the 250-watt power supply, the remote, which is powered by two AAA batteries, which do come included, and the setup, guys, which is something you would expect to see. The projector itself is nice and compact and weighs around 3.7 kilograms and has multiple universal mounting threads that allow for flexible installations for mounting on the ceiling, front or side projection, inverted projection, or upward projection. A quick mention that there is a separate BenQ ST30 projector stand, which is compatible with the GP520, and although I don't have it here for this setup, I low-key recommend it because it looks slick, matches the aesthetics of the GP520 projector, and the functionality makes it so much easier to project the way you want and need in most situations. Now, of course, I am using both a tabletop tripod and a normal tripod with my quick release plate system, which gives me all the flexibility I need. The setup process here is nice, straightforward, and leans into the benefit of why being powered by Google TV is so convenient, especially if you use an Android smartphone like I do, but of course this does work in iOS as well. It walks you through it so seamlessly that it feels stress-free. The setup process uses Google's Home app on your Android phone, which allows you to use your preferred email address to sign in and use as your main profile on the projector, and even prompts you to download a smart remote app, which in those moments where you lose the main remote, considering we always have our phone with us in use, the smart remote app is clutch. The overall design of the GP520 is nice, sleek, and understated. The darker grey two-tone colorway with a hint of the blue accents around suits most living room environments perfectly. I also like the engraved 4K logos on the left and the right side of the grills. Input and output wise, you do have two HDMI ports with support for a maximum of 4K 60Hz with auto low latency mode support ALLM, USB-C with power delivery, and DP out for devices that support it, like my MacBook Pro and even my Galaxy S25 Ultra. There are also two USB-A ports, with one of them being used for servicing and the other for media, and also a 3.5mm audio output alongside a barrel connection for power on the left. Additional physical hardware buttons on the top of the projector consist of the power button, Bluetooth, and volume controls. All that being said, what is the picture and image quality like on the GP520? Considering we are working with a 4K UHD resolution, 2600 lumens of brightness, 200,000 to 1 contrast ratio, slightly over 1 billion colors using a 4 LED light source, you would expect the image quality to be excellent, and of course, not burying the lead, the quality of the image is great. Now, it is common knowledge to know that to get the best image quality and viewing experience, to make sure that the ambient room light is darker or lower, because it will allow the image to pop. BenQ rates the projection size at between 50 to 180 inches, all depending on the distance of the projector, which is roughly between 1.3 to 4.8 meters. Add that to the auto cinema mode, which taps into using ambient light adaptation, wall color correction, distance-based adjustment, HDR10 Plus support, BenQ's CinematicColour engine with 98% Rec 709 coverage, MEMC support, which I personally disable, backed with the intelligent setup system using fast autofocus in seconds, auto keystoning with rotation, and also things like digital zoom, screen fit, image repositioning, and obstacle avoidance. Everything is put into place for an excellent viewing experience when it comes to watching your favorite TV shows, movies, and videos on the GP520. Whether it be on Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney+, YouTube, and more, you won't be disappointed with it. The same goes for the sound quality. Now, although I wouldn't say the sound quality will set your world on fire, for built-in speakers in this compact package, it's actually really good. And they also support Dolby audio, and the drivers themselves fill up the room nicely. Of course, since there is support for Bluetooth 5.2, you can use your own Bluetooth audio source, whether it be it speakers, headphones, earphones, to direct the sound the way you want and how you want. And also there is the 3.5mm audio as an option for wired audio output. Now let's talk about Google TV. And there is so much happening here that I just won't be able to cover it all. That's a good thing because that means there's depth, options, absolute flexibility when operating the GP520 with Google TV. I will touch on the main things that made my experience with it so good and worthwhile. The apps, especially the App Store, which much like on your smartphone gives you a ton of options to tap into and install with the compatible apps for the viewing experience that you want. From all the popular streaming services for your TV shows, movies, and videos, even down to the most popular music streaming apps like Spotify, Tidal, and even SoundCloud, it's all here on Google TV. And that even includes games to install and play. The operating system is smooth with lots of control over the picture modes, the auto keystone correction features to be automatically disabled or enabled to work with manually, light dimming features for when a child or someone is detected in front of the projection light source with smart eye protection. Google TV OS is solid when using it on the GP520 projector. A quick mention of the gaming experience, because I know most people wouldn't look at a projector like this for gaming, but like I stated before, since it does have certain HDMI 2.1 features like auto low latency mode with LLM, this works great with your gaming consoles. I'm using both a PS5 Pro and an Xbox Series X, and the gaming experience here is actually really good. You are maxed at 4K 60Hz, but even still, the image quality is great for gaming with minimal input lag, meaning you can kick back, relax, and really get into some relaxed console gaming and cinematic single player titles. As stated before, the USB-C port does support power delivery and DP video output, meaning used with the right bandwidth cable that supports from the USB-C to USB-C spec, I was able to plug in my MacBook Pro and use it as an extended display, and this works the same for my Galaxy S25 Ultra flagship smartphone, and that actually enabled the full DeX mode. In conclusion, the GP520 projector is awesome, and whether you want to switch to it from using a TV or alongside a TV in your household and other places that fit the viewing experience, this delivers a bigger, much more immersive way to enjoy movies, streaming, and gaming at home. If you want to get one for yourself, then check the links in the description below, and thank you to BenQ for sponsoring this video.